Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the Instagram password if forgotten. Firstly, open up the Instagram application on your phone to change the password of your Instagram account. Then, open up the Instagram in your web browser. After that, enter your login credentials. So enter your username and hit the forget password. To change your password, you need to enter your email and phone number. You need to enter the phone number or email on which you created your Instagram account. Now, you hit the Send Login Link button. Then, open up your Gmail account. After that, you will get a Gmail from Instagram, then open it up, and you will find the Reset Your Password button. Now you need to enter your new password and again enter your password. After entering your new password, hit the Reset Password. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.